Hey, what's up YouTube? Want to do a quick video on this OSP matrix. This is the version 1 with the channel handles, non-texture, even though you could see there is some little texturing going on there. This one is going up for sale. I will post my Instagram on the in the link in the description below. Also, email, if you guys don't have Instagram and you're interested in picking this up, you can email me and we'll figure something out. This one is a really nice balisong. I do really enjoy this one. I'm just, you know how it goes, always looking for something else. Just want to do a quick video on this one here. This one I believe has a version 2 blade on it. I would give this one a solid 8 out of 10, maybe 8.5. It's got a little bit of marks on the blade there, which looks worse actually in the light when you're really like shining the light on it, but in person you can't really tell too much of that. Overall looks pretty damn clean. It has a little bit of play. See if we can get that there. Come on, baby. A little bit of play, no tap. So this one does have no tap. Oh, might. That's just the handle bouncing back up and down. Let's see here. So shitty to do this behind the camera. See, no tap there. There we go. The balance on this one is nice. Let's do a quick weight over here in my basement here. Let's do a quick weight on this guy. Trying to do everything from behind my damn phone. This one is light at 4.66. And the overall length on this guy is just over 10 inches. You can see there. So just a little bit longer than a rep. BRS rep and Alpha Beast usually are about 10 inches. So this is just a little bit longer than that. Yeah, it's got really neat looking pivots. They both match on either side there. And then they got real big tang pins as well. Nice crowned tang as well. Crown spine. See that there? So yeah, I just wanted to get a quick video out of this guy here. I believe these are T15s for the pivots, and I want to say T8 for the spacer screws here. So it's got full titanium spacers. You can see there. Very neat balisong here. Really like this one. Just looking to move it, pick up some other stuff, keep it moving. Like I said, if you're interested, we can work something out. See if you can make me an offer or whatever. Just wanted to get this one out there. Like I said, I believe this one is a hybrid with a version 2 blade, which I believe the version 2 blades have bigger tang pins. And then this one is the version 1 handles. And you can see there's some milling inside the handles for weight reduction. They got little pockets milled out. See if we can get that inside. It's going to be hard as hell to see. It's going to be real hard to see, but there are little pockets. There you go. You can see these 3 lines cut out. Another one in here. And another one back here. So inside the scales are milled out, which is neat. I've never seen that before in a balisong, so that's a neat feature. Yeah, overall it's very nice, very smooth. Gotta excuse the camera. Very beautiful balisong. Now the version 2 is Chanwich, which for those of you who don't know, which I'm sure most of you guys already know, is basically it looks like a channel. So it looks like a channel balisong. So it's going to have the 2 scales that meet together with this spacer. There's no spacer; it just kind of meets together with a nice little line down the center there. So it kind of looks like a channel, but it's not. So that's why they call it Chanwich. But really digging this blade shape, this Tonto. I don't know what they exactly call it. I know OSP made a lot of different blade shapes before, so I don't know if there's actually names or particular names for their blade shapes, but this one is really beautiful. This one is running on bushings, not bearings or anything like that. I don't think OSP makes any bearings or anything like that, so this one is running on bushings, floating washer system, I believe, or something like that. So, but yeah, this one very neutral. See where the balance is on this one. See if we can get the balance a little right there. So right behind these first holes there is kind of where you're getting that balance point. So it's definitely nice for aerials too. See if we can. Whoop. So shitty to do this over the camera, but let's see. Let's see here. Gotta excuse me. Very simple. You gotta like it. So easy to do the aerials, and fanning is, you can see, just super, yeah, super simple. But yeah, guys, just wanted to get this one out quick. This one is the OSP Matrix. I gotta wipe the blade down and stuff. Like I said, this one's gonna be going up for sale, so let me know what you guys think. I am digging this one though. Very nice. You guys take care.